Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to write a program to check whether a given number by the user is a prime number or not. So before starting with that program, first we need to know what is a prime number. So just imagine we are having a number, maybe 5 here, and if a particular number is divisible by 1 and the number itself, then it is called as prime number. Here in case of 5 we can check. So 5 is divisible by 1 and is 5 divisible by 2? It is no, correct. So the same way we are going to check with 3. 3 also it is not divisible. 4 also it is not divisible. But when it comes to 5 itself, then it is divisible. So if a number is divisible only with 1 or the number itself, then it is called as prime number. All the other numbers are called as non-prime numbers. Here the number 1 itself, we can say it as either prime nor a non-prime number, okay. But when comes to number 2 is a prime number because it is divisible by 1 and 2. There is no other number in between. So number 2 is a prime number. Number 3 is also a prime number, as we all can see. It is not divisible either by, it is divisible by 1 and 3 itself, and it is not divisible by 2. When it comes to number 4, if we are checking, it is divisible by number 1 and also number 2. 4 divided by 2 will give you the remainder of 0. So it is divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number. So in simple words, I can say if a number has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, then it is a prime number. So we are going to try to write a program for this prime number checking, so that it will be very easy for us to check whether a number is prime number or not. So come on, let's start a program. So first, for that we need to get from the user one particular number. So maybe num is equal to, I am going to ask the user, and it should be an integer number only. So I am writing int input, enter a number. Then what I am going to do? So we have got a number. So what we want to do? First we need to check if the number is equal to 1. If the number is 1, then we will directly display it is either prime nor not prime. So yeah, so first we can check if num equal to 1. If it is yes, then we can just directly print this is neither prime nor not prime. Super, we can display it directly, and then we are going to have an else condition. Else whatever number is available except 1. What we are going to do is we are going to check the number. Each and every number we need to divide, correct? Like in our example, as I said, just imagine we are going to have 5 as the number given from the user. So what we need to do, we need to divide this 5 from 1. We no need to divide because 1 is divisible by everything. So 5 divided by 2, 5 divided by 3, and 5 divided by 4. And 5 divided by 5 also we should not do because it will also be divisible by itself. So what we need to do is any number which the user has given, we need to check the divisibility from the number 2 till the number which is less than maybe minus 1 of the number which the user has provided. So for this, since we know how much numbers are already there in a range, so we can use a for loop. So I am writing for I in range. So the starting number is 2 here, and the ending number is num itself, because if we write the ending number as num, then num will not be included. Only before that one number will be included, and the default step count can be 1 itself because we are going to check each and every number. So we no need to specify that explicitly. So yeah, we are inside our for loop now. So we are going to check if num modulus of I. So I will have the range between 2 to n number of numbers. So if num modulus I is equal to 0, then what it does? It means that that number is divisible by the range of the numbers. So we can directly print at this particular point itself that this is not a prime number. That's it. So once we printed it is not a prime number, we no need to check all the other range numbers. So we can just write a break statement so that we will come out of the loop at a go. Okay. Else what we need to do? If the number is if the number is not divisible, we are completing the whole print statements. Then what we can do? We can just print it is a prime number, correct? So here I would like to introduce a new feature, which is the else statement, which is available for your for loop. So inside your for loop, if I am writing an else, then if this for loop if statement never worked and comes out of the program, then this else statement will be working. So I am printing this is a prime number. So I think this else statement for this for loop is very important. It is not available in any other languages. In all the other language, we will be having else only for our if condition. But in Python, we can have an else for our for and while loop also. So yeah, that's it friends. We can run the program and see whether it is working. Enter a number. So I will give 5. Can you see it is printing correctly? 5 is a prime number. We can run again and type any other bigger number, maybe 16. So it is a printing. It is not prime number because 16 is not a prime number. Okay, I'll run again and try to print bigger number. 111 is also not a prime number because it is divisible by 3. Okay, 121 maybe, not a prime number. Okay, what number can we give? Maybe 13. Yeah, 13 is a prime number. Now I think this program is very easy and understandable. And I think it is very easy to understand this for loops else also. That's it for today friends, and do follow the channel and come on, we can code together many programs. Thank you, and this is Shravanti. Bye bye.